What to expect when you reach out to Sunpath Services. Hi, I'm Chris Sander, and I'm a solar consultant with Sunpath Services. If you're interested in solar, then please reach out to us. The first step in the process is gathering some information. We'll want to see a recent copy of a power bill that we'll use to analyze your annual energy use. We'll use software technology and input these details along with satellite imagery to be able to prepare an initial proposal for you. This will be sent to you by email and we'll give you time to review it, ask any follow-up questions, and do some research on your own. If you're interested in the next step, we'll schedule a site assessment. Our site assessments are complimentary, there's no obligation to you, but we'll schedule a time that's convenient and we'll come out and review details of your project. These key details include getting on your roof, taking measurements, conducting solar readings. We'll want to review your electrical panel, and lastly, we'll want to take a look in your attic space and do a brief structural evaluation of your roof. After the site assessment, we'll prepare an updated final bid. Once we send this to you, again, ask any follow-up questions. If you're interested in moving forward, we'll send you an installation agreement and walk you through the process from there. At Sunpath Services, we pride ourselves on being low pressure, making sure you have all the details and the information that's accurate and transparent to make an informed decision. Thanks for contacting Sunpath Services. We look forward to working with you.